Hello, this is a video tour of 1169 South Van Ness Avenue. We're at the exterior of the building. It's located in a wonderful location, walking distance to many local restaurants, coffee houses, and conveniences. Okay, the mailboxes are located to the left and right here on the first landing. We're going to walk up to an upper level flat, unit number B. This unit has been nicely renovated. It is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath flat. You walk into the middle of the flat, but we're going to start this tour off towards the front of the building. Okay, so here is one bedroom here. You do get a lot of natural light. This is a decorative fireplace, built-in shelving to the right of that. This is the view from this front bedroom here. You have beautiful wood floors throughout. Gas heating for this apartment. You have a nice foyer here with built-in bench and window. There is also a nice coat closet. Here is a second bedroom. So this is a unique space in that there are two sections. This one fits a queen-size bed perfectly in this area here. And then you have an additional space just outside the closet. And this is a closet for this room. Okay, so over here to the left, you have a sink, medicine cabinet, bathtub, and shower combination. And it's a spacious bathroom, good-sized shower head, and just outside the bathroom is the toilet. Third bedroom, this one is located off the street. And this one has a good-sized closet as well. Okay, now for the common area of the flat. Oh, here's the linen closet. Nice big living room. You have built-in cabinets, lots of natural light. And here's a view towards the back of the building. You have a nicely updated kitchen, plenty of room if you'd like to put a small table or a kitchen island. There's your gas range, refrigerator, and a nice big walk-in pantry. Okay, stainless sink. Now, off the back porch, you have private laundry machines. This is an amazing feature, and there's plenty of storage there. You open the doors, and there's a nice view out the back. Plus, you can walk down to a shared yard. Okay, if you are interested in this amazing space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.